are 4 shoots of pack of chords. They are known as pack of chords. And each shoot 13 chords labeled as 2 to 10 numbers and alphabets as J, Q, K and A. 4 alphabets. It is each shoot 13 chords, namely 2, 3, 4 up to 10 numbers. All right, all these 10 numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. That is 9 chords with the number, and the other 4 chords are J, Q, J, K, Q, A. Arc symbol, these 13 chords. Diamond symbol, these 13 chords in this. In this, only except the first chord J. J generally we call as jog, but technical name is called nave. K-N-A-V-E. The chord J stands for jog, or it is called nave. K-N-A-V-E. How many nave chords are there? 4 are the nave chords. And the remaining as it is K, there are 4 chords. Q stands for queen, there are 4 chords. And A stands for the chord ace. It is 4 chords. These J, Q, K, these chords are known as, it is chord chords. It is called chord chords or phase chords, they are called. Chord or phase chords. How many total chords or phase chords are there? 12. 12. J, Q, K, 4J, 4Q, 4K. They are called phase chords. FPA is objective examination, higher level D. FPACE phase or chord chords. These 3. 12. If you include J, Q, K, A, they are called honor chords. They are called honor chords. H-O-N-O-U-R. Objective purpose, it is little J, Q, K chords are known as chord chords or it is phase chords. J, Q, K chords are known as phase chords or it is called chord chords. Phase chords or chord chords. How many are there? 12. It is 12 number. If we add A for this, all the alphabetical chords known as, it is honor chords. It is J, Q, K, A. These are called honor chords. How many are there? 16 honor chords. But here given as only one question for this chord, but given the complete description, we can answer any chord of this type. Now the fourth question, a chord is selected from the pack of 52 chords. It is fourth question of page number 404. A chord is selected. A chord is selected from a pack of 52 chords. Yes. The first bit is what is required. How many points are sample space? We have 52 different chords. Therefore, we have 52 different points on the sample space. Number of coins in sample space is equal to, it is combinations we have to use 52C1 permutation combinations it is. If two cards are selected, 52C2, 52C2 for selection of two cards. 52C1, this value, 52C1 value is equal to 52. It is the first bit. No other calculation required. Second bit, the probability that the card is an ace of spades. It is E is equal to card is an ace of spades. How many spade aces are there? One card of the spade ace. In the bracket, just only one card of spade ace. Therefore, n of E is equal to only 1. What is n of S? 50. And n of S, sample space, 50. P of E is equal to n of E of S, 1 over 50. One over 52. It is spade ace. Then the C first bit, it is the card is an ace. How many aces are there? 4 aces. 4 aces. 4 divided by 15. Hence it is 1 by 13. Third bit, the card is third again given as the two questions. Third A, third B, or CA, or this one is. It is C bit. See again first one in this. D is equal to, any names we can give. D is equal to, the card is an ace. No other, just ace only. The card is an ace. The number of points will be 4 aces, any one ace. It is 4 bits. Any one ace, it is 4. Therefore, probability of the event D is equal to n of D divided by n of S. 4 divided by 52, 1 by 13. Next, it is second bit. What is the second bit here? The card is a black card. How many black are there? 26. 26 by 50. E is equal to, the card is black card. There are 26 black are there. N of E is 26C1. It is 26. Therefore, P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. 26 divided by 52, 1 over. Like this simple calculation of the cards. And this. Then read the question number 5. A fail coin marked 1 on one face and 6 on other face. Generally, coin marked as head and tail. but in place of Ellendale, covered as 1 and 6. Ellendale as 1 and 6. And a die is thrown. What is that? And a die, both are tossed. Find the probability that sum of numbers is 3. One question. Sum of numbers as 12. Other question. So we know 3 and 12. So coin popped with 1 and 6, and die has 1 to 6 numbers. Question number 5. A coin faces marked with one and 6. A coin faces marked with 1 and 6 numbers, and a die is thrown. A die is thrown. The sample space having 2 into 6, which is 12 points. Earlier also same given. In place of H it is 1, in place of T it is 6. That sample space is 1 on the coin, 1 on the die. 1 coin die is 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. These are the 12 point sample space. These are 12 points in sample space. It is not 2 dice, 1 coin and 1 die. Coin in place of head and tail, we have 1 and 6 numbers. And coming to the first bit, it is sum is 3. Sum is 3. The only one possibility. First number 3, no? 3 or not? Sum is 3, possibility only 1. Therefore, it is 1 divided by 12 is the probability. First bit, sum of numbers is 3. First bit, sum of numbers is, it is A is equal to. This is only one possibility, 1 comma 2. It is n of A is equal to 1. P of A is equal to 1 divided by 12. What is the value of P of A? 1 divided by 1. Second bit, B is equal to sum of numbers is 1. It is only one possibility, 6 comma 6. Sum of numbers is 6. This is only 1. Only one possibility, 6 comma 6. N of B is also 1. Required P of B is equal to 1 divided by 12. I Explanation required not to of writing as well. And you can write just like that number. Then other is there are 4 men and 6 women on the city council, totally 10. If one council member selected for a committee at random, how likely it is the selected person is a woman? So it is, how many are there? 6 divided by 10. It is 3 by 5 is the answer. So write the explanation, but if you write just 3 by 5 in the exam, they won't use 3 marks. It may be 3 marks question. What? Suppose write the, just if I say that exam, it is enough to the answer 3 by 5. But examination, how many of you can write the explanation? Just write the explanation. Given that there are 4 men and 6 women. Given that there are 4 men and 6 women. Next step, that is total members is equal to 10. Members is equal to 10. One member selected. One member selected. One member selected. N of S is equal to 10C1. N of S is equal to 10C1. From 10 members, 1 member is selected. Sample space N of S 10C1. Sample space it is. Next, A is equal to event selected member is a woman. A is equal to event selected member is a woman. N of A is equal to N of A is equal to, because 6 women are there, any one woman. It is 6. N of A is equal to 6. C1, that is equal to 6. Therefore, required P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. That is equal to 6 divided by 10, 3 by 5. If you write like this, it is counts for the 3 marks or 2 marks, any number of whatever you the exam. Answer simply, it is okay in objective, but subjective 3 by 5 means they won't consider the question itself. They won't give even half mark or 1 mark anything for the answer. The next is 7th question. Given little lengthy explanation, please try to follow the given question. A fairy coin is tossed 4 times. A fairy coin 4 times. And a person wins ₹1 for each head and loss of ₹1.0 for each tail. You don't have